All right, a common problem with the email editor in Kajabi is when you send out an email and the fonts are all messed up, whether that's size or the way they look and all that. And there's an easy fix for this. I'm on a Mac right now that you can easily do this on a Windows computer, but I'm going to just set up an example here with new email broadcast. And this is, let me just set this up real quick first. Oops, click that guy and say, text format problem. Okay. Good. Now, I've only got 2 people in here because this is my partner thingy, so that's okay. I'm going to launch the email editor. And this is where the problem is. So if you are editing or copying and pasting from another document, usually it's Word, something like that, which is a great idea, by the way, to put all of your emails into some kind of other system so you can save them. And when you paste them into here, it has its own formatting. Like Word has its own formatting and all this, and it totally screws everything up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to my editor, and this is, as you'll see here, there's even this little picture here thingy, and I'm just going to copy this here. Okay, I'm going to copy it. But instead of going right into this, as you'll notice here on the other side, I've got my text edit open. Okay, and I'm going to paste it into my text edit first. And what this does is it just pastes the text. But then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab it all, and I'm going to go up to Format and say Make Plain Text. As soon as I make it plain text, it removes all of the formatting that was in this one here, and it makes it into plain text. So there's no formatting whatsoever. I'm going to grab this, like right here, copy that, and then I'm going to put it right into here, like that. And you'll still notice that there are some breaks here, and so I got to clean this up, which is here. I don't know why it gave me those extra lines, but I'm just going to get rid of them like this. Okay, there's the image. I'm going to get rid of that image thing. Let's just do that. Right about here. And I think that looks good right there. Okay, so there you can see. Now I've got this. I'm going to view this in my web browser. See how that looks. Come on, buddy. Is this not working? All right, well, I guess that didn't work. But I promise you that when you send this out, now you will have the right formatting. This will be whatever format you have set it up into, like the mobile layout. You can set all these things out, but the format itself, like the font, you can see here the 16. If you change that, well, I got to highlight all this stuff over here. If you change that, it'll change in here. It'll look good on your mobile. I think 16 pixels is great on a mobile. So when you send this out, it'll work. And that's how you do it. So if you're doing anything outside, like even in a Google Doc or something like that, I highly recommend that you either, I think in Google Doc you can change it, like just highlight and say make plain text. I think you can do that. But if you don't have that, whatever you're on, either a Mac, it's under text edit. Open that native program, and then change it to plain text. And in Windows, it's also something text, and just change it to plain text before you copy it into Kajabi. Hope that helps.